All right, I'm here on Nearpod, and I just wanted to show you a couple of the tools that are available for you to use when it comes to the draw it slides that we do for our math, because we do that so often. There's so much drawing, and I know that it's hard to be able to draw with your mouse. Like, see, even me, as I'm drawing, I'm trying to write 3 and 4 tenths, and I mean, that looks okay, but I mean, definitely isn't the best. So when I am doing one of these, it's called a draw it on Nearpod, and it allows you to write on it. First, I want you to notice down here, there's this back button that can undo what you've already done. If you're doing a painting too, you can also click on the eraser and it will erase things, but I like just using the undo button because it gets rid of it all in one click. There's the highlighter that we won't really use much in math unless you are using it to like highlight what you know in a story problem. Now on this slide, there doesn't really have a story problem for you to worry about highlighting stuff. And this is just practicing writing decimals as fractions. So I'm going to undo that. This is a box that I really want you to pay attention to, because guess what? You can type what you want. So see, I've clicked these 4 the arrows here, and I can move it to where I want. Then I'm going to click in here and I can just type. I know that 3 and 4 tenths can be written as 3 and 4 tenths. And it's okay that my fraction here as 4 tenths doesn't look like the one right above it. That's okay. I will still be able to look at this and know, oh, that's 3 and 4 tenths. And it's so much easier to type stuff in sometimes. Let's say though that maybe I don't want this box here anymore, so I'm going to delete it. Oh, it's gone. Let's add another text box in. You'll see it's just going to pop up, and then you can take this and drag it to where you want to go. This is your dragging button. So you notice I also don't need this huge of a box, so I'm going to take the corner here and I'm going to move it up to where I want it to be. And then I'm going to type in my answer again. Maybe I want my answer to be red, or maybe I want it to be yellow. Yellow is kind of hard to see. Maybe don't do yellow. Maybe I want it to be orange or blue. Don't do white. I can barely see white. If you do it in white, you won't get credit for doing it. So that's how you can go through and maybe answer your questions a little bit easier by using the text box. And say I was doing the next one, I would just create another text box, because I know that sometimes trying to write on these with your mouse is not the most effective or efficient way for you to be able to answer your questions, and it can be kind of frustrating sometimes. So I just wanted to show this to you to make sure that you knew that we had that available for you.